Okay, now I want to show you how to assemble the mostly printed version. These are these two things you have to print. And what you need also is these sticks. They're 3mm in diameter. And the one is nearly 30mm long. It's rated as 28, but it's nearly 30mm, and this is rated as 40mm, and this is nearly 41mm, but that is okay. And you also need a screw. This is an M3 12mm long screw and a nut. So you firstly begin to press the nut in this gap that's there. Oh, come on. Okay. Now I get the screw. Screw this in here. I screw this in completely. Give it a little bit pressure so the nut will be pressed in the hole. And then I screw it out so that the head is nearly completely free, or it's completely free. So now I take my 30mm, and this comes in here. And this is very, very strong. So this is very tight. I mean, I use this therefore. Grab it here, put it in here, grab it a bit closer, so put it in and turning it and pressing it. This is very, very strong, but that should be okay. Now I'm through. I'm going all the way down now. Oh, come on. All the way down. Now I'm going in here. And so it will fit in here. And now I'm going the same way on the table. And I'm turning it and pressing it down. So that this is here completely flush, and here also. Okay. Next thing. Take this with the flat side on the top and line this that way. So now you have here a little hole. There comes the 40mm in. This is not so tight. You can press it completely through. And now I take these and just push it a bit down. You can also just do it with a screwdriver, pushing in here, and it's already done. So, and that's it. You're ready. So, how does it work now? Okay, just like the other one, just push in here and you're done. And now you can, come on, push it down here. And now this, now get these, give it a bit tighter. And now you can screw this in a bit, and as more as you screw this in, as tighter this closing is. So you can, if you have all four on it, you can look on the side if it's look from the side if this is bending, and if this bend too much, just lose it a bit. So this is, it could be a bend a bit, but not much, and then you're ready, and it's closed and tight. Okay.